sit within 25 feet of a high performer, your own performance improves by 15%. Here's the kicker. If you sit within 25 feet of a low performer, your own performance decreases by 30%. This means that our negative emotions are more contagious. That if you're around people who are low performers, whatever that means to you, who have negative cues, who are feeling anxious or tired or low confident, you could catch those cues and that affects your own performance. This is why it is incredibly critical to invest in the 5 people who you spend the most time with. You want to make sure those 5 people are the cues you want to catch. Do you like the cues they're sending? Do they give you the right motivation, feelings? Do they make you feel liked? Do they make you a better version of yourself?
Here is super powerful because she said invest. She said make sure you invest in your 5 closest friends, which is pretty awesome because the reality is you don't actually get to pick very often the 5 closest people to you. Think about it. If you're a man, what's the reality? You married someone and the question is, has that person been dedicated to their growth at the same rate and frequency that you have been? Do they have the same level of determination, discipline, and different attributes like that can cause them to perform at those levels? So then investing and leading them can be the thing and is the thing that makes all of the difference over the years, right? Your children, you're going to be spending time in their energy fields. Investing in them makes a massive difference. Who do I spend the most time with? To be completely honest with you, God in my quiet time as a developing spiritual man, as a 3-part being, right? A physical body, a soul, a mind, will, and emotions, and a spirit. I spend time with God in the morning. I wake up at 3 or 4 a.m. 3 or 4 a.m. depends on my mood, or it actually depends on when he wakes me up. I'm spending time with him. That's massive. Think about the frequencies you carry, right? I spend time with audiobooks. That's massive. Think about the frequencies you're carrying, right? And then I spend time around my family, right? And so investing in your family, the things that you acquired during your time with God and during the time of study in the audiobooks, massive. These are the cheat codes. Success leaves clues unless you're clueless. Pay attention. Then your teams, right? My employees, my teams, and investing in them so you can all win together. She nailed it. The science is good, but she nailed it when she said, make sure you invest in everyone that is around you. And those investments can only be made if you are first and foremost and consistently making those investments in yourself. Let's go. I'll see you on the Man of Peace podcast.
Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God.